Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Claiborne, local and long-distance movers near me. Long-distance moves are for everyone who wants to move from one location to another but is too far away for a local move. By choosing a long-distance move with 3 Movers, you decide to save money while getting your things to where they need to go. We pick up your movable items for your home or office and deliver them to your desired locations. From there, everything will be sent to the location that you need it. The best part is that everything is in one place to make things easier for you. You can get a great idea of how much a long-distance move costs by filling out our form on our website. If you wish to move your belongings by a certain time, we can also schedule a move. We can always be there to assist you during your long-distance move. Are you planning to move locally? We can help you save time and money by getting everything picked up and then delivered within the same day. Fill the quote form mentioned above to receive the quotation, finalize it, and we know that moving can be stressful, so let us deal with the stress for you. We'll get everything to where it needs to go so you can relax and enjoy your new home. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Claiborne Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.